Hello everyone, I hope you guys are doing wonderful. So, in this video, I would like to explain to you guys about Venus transit in Virgo from October 23rd, 2020. So, the rare alignment that is happening across in this, as per the Vedic astrology Nadi transits. So, the Venus is transiting into Virgo from October 23rd, 2020, and whereas Mercury is transiting into Libra from October 14, 2020. So what's happening is because of for Libra the Lord is basically Venus, and whereas for Virgo the Lord is basically Mercury. So Mercury is getting transited into Libra, and whereas and Venus is getting transiting into Virgo. So there is a transpose of the planets happening. It is called as exchange of signs or transpose yoga that is happening. So the results for the same is basically when Venus is transiting into Virgo, what happens is basically you can able to clear your financial difficulties, and you can able to make very good money during this period, and also you can able to reduce your unwanted expenses, as well as you can able to overcome your losses as well. If at all you are having so much of expenses, this is the time where in which you need to manage your money properly, you need to manage your expenditure properly, and Venus in Virgo will be helping you in terms of providing that, getting you that intellect and knowledge to manage your money. All right, and you can able to improve your wealth consciousness during this period of time. The reason being, the Lord of Virgo Mercury is getting transited into Libra, and the Lord of Libra Venus is getting transited into Virgo. So there is the exchange of these planetary energies happening across. And also, as I mentioned to you, you can start utilizing your creative abilities. You can start improving your knowledge towards relationship with money. You can develop the relationship with money and learn to understand the value of money. I'm sure during this point of time you'll undergo certain lessons, and surely you'll be able to understand the meaning, understand the importance of money. You will not be wasting too much of money on unwanted things and undergo losses in your business and all that. I'm sure that business acumen mindset you will be getting it for sure. So through that you can able to save a lot of money, and this is the time wherein which you can able to overcome the temptations which are resulting from unwanted expenses as well. You'll be getting that intellect and logical thinking attitude, how in a ways, and you will start keeping your mind in a way how you can able to gain the money. You will start making that business plans in a way how you can able to retrieve the money, how you can able to make the good amount of money. Um, you will start utilizing your mind onto that, and also you will be inclined to luxuries, entertainment, and also celebrations at your home. All these things happens because of Venus transiting into Virgo and Mercury transiting into Libra. There is exchange of energies happening across to it. All right. So that's it from my side, and these are the attributes for Venus in Virgo zodiac sign, transiting on October 23rd, 2020, and it will be for 30 days period. And if at all you want me to see your birth chart, you need to book for the consultation so that I can able to help you in terms of analysis, and I can tell you what your Venus is giving it for you. You need to understand the energy of whether it's a positive Venus or a negative Venus that you're having. So please book for a consultation so that I can able to help you in terms of understanding your birth chart, and I will tell you what your Venus is giving it to you. All right. Thank you. And please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because I'll be adding more and more videos like this, and you'll be learning so much about astrology if at all by just watching my videos. I'll be explaining in a more simpler manner, and I'm here to serve you, and I'll be able to help you with your birth chart analysis. Thanks for now.